Hello students, welcome again to our video session class. We have already finished our final term syllabus. Now we have nothing to do new, but go on doing the revision work. So before starting the revision work from the chapters which you are having in your final term exam, today I am going to give you some idea how to write the question and answers from picture study in your book. You go through the page number 117. There are 3 picture studies questions is given, so you can practice them. You may get some questions from here or some other book also, but just try to do that. First one is observe the following figure and answer the following question. It is a figure of scenery is given. A scenery is very beautiful scenery is given. You can see here some clouds are there, some factory smokes are coming out, trees are there, animals are grazing, there's a water body also. So you have to label the natural cycle shown here. What is the natural cycle is shown here? I think it is the carbon cycle. Name the sources of carbon dioxide. You can name any of the sources, that is burning of wood, coals, petroleum products, and the smoke that are coming out from the chimneys of the factories. Write any 2 uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used for photosynthesis, and it also used to put off fire because it does not support the combustion, or either itself it does not combust. Why is increased concentration of carbon dioxide considered as the greenhouse gases? Because greenhouse gases means the gases which helps to trap sun's heat. If the percentage of carbon dioxide goes on increasing on this in this earth atmosphere, what will happen? It will absorb more sun's heat, and if it absorbs more sun's heat, it will not allow to escape the heat of the from the earth's surface, and which will result to the increase in the temperature of the earth. That is called global warming. So it is considered as a greenhouse gases. Observe the diagram and shown in the next question. Observe the diagram. Answer the following question. Label A, B, C. What is the role of B in this process? So I think it is a preparation of oxygen gas is shown here. Okay. So the experiment which you have in your book also, the same experiment based question is given. For this preparation, potassium chloride, magnesium dioxide is taken, and some hydrogen peroxide is number A label is hydrogen peroxide, and number B is magnesium dioxide is there, and in the C gas jar oxygen is collected. Name the chemical which are used in place of A to prepare the gas C by using chemical B. We have to label. Then what is the role of B? Magnesium. What is the role of magnesium over here? Magnesium dioxide. So when magnesium dioxide is used here for the preparation of hydrogen, so it's manganese dioxide. Yes, it's manganese dioxide, not magnesium. I've said the incorrect way. It's manganese dioxide. So when manganese dioxide is used here for as a catalyst, because it will increase the rate of reaction. Okay. After that, the next question is here. Name the chemical which can be used in place of A to prepare a gas. In place of A, we can also use potassium hydroxide. We can also use potassium chlorate. We can use potassium chlorate instead of hydrogen peroxide. Write down the chemical equation for the gas C using prepared. So being both the reactions we can write, the first one also and the second, H2O2 when reacts with MnO2 as a catalyst, it gives H2O plus O2. Same experiment we can do with potassium chlorate KClO3, or when heated with the presence of MnO2, it will give potassium chloride 2KCl plus 3O2. Now the next question is here. It's a very common question that we have done in class 6 also. You have to just write the percentage of, label the chart, pie chart. This hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. Three colors are there. Blue portion is nitrogen, orange portion is oxygen and yellow portion is carbon dioxide. Mention their sources, you know what is their sources, preparations, and out of these above gases, which is a threat to the environment. Which gas is threat to the environment here? Obviously carbon dioxide is threat to the environment because they also responsible for the global warming. So they are greenhouse gases, but importance also because without carbon dioxide plants cannot do the photosynthesis, so should be in limited. Next, observe the following diagram. Question number 4. What is the name of the process which is shown here? What is the product and why it is important? And write the chemical equation for the process, what type of reaction it is, and name the gas of the formula into it. Is here the ammonia gas is produced. The process here is followed is Haber's process, okay, and Haber-Bosch process actually. Chemical equation N2 plus H2 give NH3, you know that. Name the gas produced with the formula N2 is ammonia gas is prepared here, okay. The next question is absorb the following diagram and answer the following question. Again here the preparation of oxygen is shown. Which two conditions are necessary for oxygen preparation shown here. The first condition required is we have to use a catalyst MnO2 and we have to heat. Potassium chlorate is heated. Without heat we cannot prepare oxygen from potassium chloride. And you have to write the chemical equation, you know, KClO3 on heating in the presence of catalyst MnO2, it will give potassium chloride plus oxygen, that is O2. So now you have to balance also. So whenever you write the chemical equation, it should be balanced. So very important, always write the balanced chemical equation. Don't write the skeletal equation. So ultimately today, in this today video class, the full chapter is completed, full book is even completed. Now from the next video class, once your exam will completed, we will start doing the revision from the chapters which you are having in your final term. Okay students, hope you have understand how to do these picture study questions. Go to these types of questions once more. If you can practice, you can practice it from another book also. I will try to give you some questions during the revisions from some other reference books also, that will help you to understand the chapter more clearly. Not this at air and atmosphere, and others chapter also. Thank you students, hope you have enjoyed this video class. Thank you very much.